my nice head setup. Thank you.
Men den här är då lite tuffare än den här gummimattor och sådär.
Okay.
So everything is turned on at the moment.
Yes.
Straight ahead, please.
Yeah, it's like everything is white.
And then between the cones, straight.
Yeah, okay.
And then you'll get an immediate visualization of where we're going. And if you want to go a little wider for the snow and the grip, then no problem at all. You don't have to indicate.
And the wipers is this one, yeah.
This one, yeah.
It's like this is confusing. Okay, let's see.
So everything is on, but you can still feel that there is a little bit of slip in the system, which is good.
It's not breaking that much, which is nice.
I think some manufacturers take away all of the power, all of the drive immediately. You know, and it's
and that's too much. It kills the control of the car, I think.
Of course.
And it's super slippery here.
It is, yeah. But you can feel the balance of the power transfer is now going to the back. It's obviously constantly changing. But
also very smooth. It's not any intrusive stability control. It's very smooth. It's really evident that you have put in a lot of work in it.
The engineering is very, very well tuned to make the Rolls-Royce character. It's not this on and off switch. It's like a volume switch where it comes
super smooth. And we follow those.
Now if I turn everything off now, so you're now in control with just your throttle. Now the seatbelt adjustments as well.
Yeah. But still, it feels could be like an X-Drive 3 series. It's this
agile, isn't it?
Yes, to be this big, and this. You put it out on a drift, but
to brake a little and then get the car round. And take the angle off and power.
Okay,
power. That's it. There we go.
Yeah, super. But it's you could almost say it's driftable.
There is a way of locking the drive 50%, 50% if we press off-road.
Wow.
And it's on off-road expert now.
So then it's 50-50.
Which stability and driver assistance is deactivated. It automatically fixes in second gear, and this is specifically designed for deep sand and that drive, because of course some of our customers need that.
Yes.
So, but you
deep sand is something your customers, I guess, need.
And you can feel the difference.
Yeah, and what? Yeah, I'm trying to think what's the difference in practice? It's more grip, right? No.
Well,
or the grip is the same.
The grip is the
differential
same,
is working less.
It is just fixed 50%, 50% now.
Yeah.
And that's what you need on the sand.
Yeah, to get out of sand.
Absolutely.
But in terms of driving dynamics, how will it be different than not lockable?
Because it's in off-road setting, the dampers, so that the shock absorbers have also recalibrated to react faster. And you can probably feel...
Maybe it's more responsive, or?
Well, I think there's lots of different words that we can use to describe the sensation. But
it's a bit harsher, right?
It feels harder, but they're just reacting faster. But the car has also gone higher. So let's bring you back to road.
It's smoother, much smoother.
See?
Yeah, comfortable.
Now, but this smoothness is more precise on this surface.
Yes, but bad on getting out of sand.
There you go. Yeah, absolutely.
But the cars feel much nicer with.
Also, the accelerator pedal has changed the calibration as well.
Sport, the drive-by-wire feedback. But I'm surprised how small it feels.
It's good, isn't it?
It feels so small when you go up on a drift angle or a skid angle.
Keep that angle. No need to turn in anymore.
Okay.
No power.
Yeah.
You see? Then take the angle off. There you go.
Yeah.
You see? Look at that power.
Yeah.
Keep the power down. Keep the power down. Take the angle off the wheel. Power. Try not to do this with your throttle. Just
keep it steady.
Because your brain tells you to lift when you hear the revs rise, but just keep your foot in the same place and it works.
And you do want to hear the V12 as much as possible. But okay, so a constant throttle, and then
there you go. You see?
Yeah. And I really don't know where I'm driving, but the feeling is very nice. So I don't want to stop.
Figure out,
yeah. Here was super slippery.
Just try over here, and then you can feel the difference in traction, or maybe on some of the white.
Yeah. Is it even with less traction?
No, it's more over here.
It is.
Try
Okay.
Try it over here, and you can feel the grip in the snow. You see immediately.
Yes, much better. Yeah. Yeah. Here is even more.
So this
more
is
controllable.
Snow on ice.
Yes.
Here is just ice.
And it's not studded tires.
A little stud, yeah.
Okay.
A little one.
Yeah, because I think it's to be this slippery. It's not that bad in traction. I mean,
it's a good system.
Yeah, and it's so unintrusive. It's so comfortable in the way it works.
I'm glad you think so.
I approve.
Yeah, we try really hard.
Good work. You've done a good work.
I can't take any credit. It's all the clever people back in Goodwood.
And also, the smoothness, the V12 power delivery makes it's so linear everything.
Yeah.
It's no surprise.
Should we let someone else have a go?
No. Okay. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
No, it's like the nimbleness was really surprising. Yeah, this is so confusing. Thank you very much.
Hey, my pleasure. My pleasure. You gonna have another cigarette, maybe?
No.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Until this adventure is over. So about the weight distribution, I mean, it felt like we got more weight in the rear end.
In the back.
Yeah.
It's only rear-wheel drive.
Yeah, that's because of that, of course. Okay.
And a champagne stop.
Yeah.
And of course, the traditional champagne glass is different, so we're trying to keep it in.
Champagne stop must be impossible.
Julia has done the chauffeur.
Yeah, she came with me in.
Okay. So you were the teacher. Or?
Yes, I'm the only person that can deliver this course.
Oh, see, wow,
Sign me up.
An honor.
And the feeling when you close these.
It's good, isn't it?
It is.
Yeah, he's. We got a couple more rotations. Yeah, thank you.
So
the gears obviously towards you and down.
Yeah.
That's it. Right
and
to the left.
we go. And now all the security. This car is gonna have.
It's okay. She's making a. That's Julia, isn't it? Driving.
Yeah, I
Yes, it
think
is.
so.
She's on her own agenda.
Okay.
Yeah, we can drive over there.
Round like this.
Yeah. No, that's it.
Yeah.
And then
Okay.
Fullt med leksaker där liksom. Det är ju...
straight.
Yeah.
So at the moment everything is turned on, of course, just to.
Yeah.
I would suggest just braking a little, going into the corner. That's it. You don't need that much angle. Take some angle.
Okay.
That's it.
Yeah.
Just wait for the front to grip rather than increasing the angle.
Massage måste jag dra på här.
So is it on the?
Yeah, we just drive around here. That's it.
Whole body activation
See,
massage.
because this is so slippery.
Shit.
Yeah, just go into the corner with a little brake.
Yeah.
Now, if I turn everything off,
That's a totally different reaction.
yeah. So as we go into this, have a little bit of brake.
Här är det varmt
turn,
också, känner
and then you wait.
Så jävla
Then you turn.
Det ser jag en
Sort of
perfekt
angle,
inte
then you
dit.
wait.
Okay.
Okay, now power and take the angle off. There we go. Power, more power, more power. Yay, there we go.
Hey, we don't go.
And then straight.
Yeah,
Perfect.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah, wow.
Excellent.
Yeah, I thought the wheel was much further away. I mean,
You only need this much.
I didn't have much angle on it.
No, you
Leather everywhere.
Now brake a little. Now wait.
Så här är läder
wait for
också.
it, wait for 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 it. Now with the power. There we go.
Ja,
Take the angle off.
perforerat på något
There you
sätt.
go.
Okay, okay. This takes some time to get used to the
course.
reaction of this car.
Because you have so much torque that's delivered very low in the rev range, we have to modify how much you use your right foot. And a little bit of throttle. That's it. Now a little bit more. There you go. Now power. More power. Yay! There we go. Perfect.
Yeah, they are actually set to come from that direction. These cones.
Cool. Now they're changing grips very shortly. So, would you like a drive as well?
Yeah, of course.
One more, yes, please.
It's very quick and responsive.
It is, isn't it?
And the panel is customizable as on the Phantom, the upper.
Yes. So this, in fact, on the Cullinan, this is the only leather that you can have at the moment. Other leathers eventually will be available, but this box grain leather originally comes from sort of antique luggage. It's called box grain, so it's the finish of the leather is like this.
Because the Phantom really have this special,
They have a gallery.
Exactly, that's the name.
Yeah, we didn't want the gallery on this. We kept that just for the Phantom.
Yeah, because that's really special. Like gold, leaf gold, and
Anything
things
that
like
you
that.
want.
Yeah,
You can have your own painting.
So if I give full gas now, will you do a donut?
No, because it's DSC on.
Okay, DSC.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Yeah, we just swap around and then.
yeah, I'm gonna beat him up later because he got it for like 5 laps.
I know. Yeah. He stole your lap.
Yeah, he did.
Sorry.
Don't forget your gloves.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. A couple more laps.
Du bör dra på stolsvärme och även helkroppsmassage har du i stolen.
Ja, vad bra. Det stänger.
Ja, skönt. Här vill jag vara ända tills vi kommer till flygplatsen.
Fast jag tyckte man satt bättre i blåst.
Okay, where you go?
Ja, man kanske inte det.
That's it, power. There we go, go left a little bit, that's it, don't need those cones. You can see how much extra grip on the ice in this snow. It's amazing. This is an ice rink now, isn't it?
Yeah.
Feels like. So if you go wide here, you get even more grip and they're more predictable. Now use the throttle. There you go, see? Lots of grip.
Whoa.
It's okay.
The torque is nice. It's so linear and everywhere.
Right, that's it, I'm afraid. You've got to go over there.
Sorry.
Is it 8-speed gearbox?
8 speed, yeah, ZF
So
gearbox.
she dropped her.
Cool, thank you guys.
So can we bribe you?